What's good, Mr. R? What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? Just getting set up. Today might be the day, even though I kind of doubt it because price ain't looking all too shabby, but it doesn't matter. Let me show you what I've got going on over here. Let me switch this screen. There we go. And I got to turn this. There we go. All right. Mr. R, as you can see from my screen, I have something very important to explain to you guys. Dean said we out here. What's good, Dean, baby? I have something to explain to you guys. Look at the trades I took this morning. I cannot, like, we're literally like a day or so away from this challenge being over. I'm grateful I'm still able to trade, but I can't wait to just go all in and focus. I'm ready to go crazy because at this point, I don't know what it is. The way I'm reading the market is just way different. And I'm realizing not how easy, let me not use the word easy, you know what I mean? I don't want God to humble me and be like, oh yeah, you think it's easy, eh? You know, and then all of a sudden, like I'm in a wicked losing streak. Can you guys still see me, hear me? It says there's an error. It says there's an error. Let me know if you guys can see. There was notification today, Deep. That's fire. 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 I'm gonna keep Mr. I'm gonna go deep on you soon. You keep beating us to the number one on the street. He really is. Can you guys see me, by the way? Can you guys see me? It's getting like I'm getting an error message from YouTube. They're saying something's going on with my stream for whatever reason. So let me 1 second. Stream is fine. Okay, cool. I'm not gonna touch it. It was saying something was going on. But anyways, guys, so look at this. So look what happened on US 30. Look at SPX 500, okay? Look at NAS. Tell me what you notice. Let me make them all big. Tell me what you notice. Let me zoom in a little bit more. All right, tell me what you notice. Here's NAS 100. All right. Here's SPX 500. And here is US 30. Tell me what you guys notice. Tell me what you notice between the three. What do you notice? I've talked about this multiple times. This Mr. R. Mr. R is number one consistently. Like he's undefeated right now. Did someone order a stud? Anybody order a stud? Not me. W's in the chat. Already off to a good start, guys. Do you guys notice anything? Look, NAS 100, SPX 500, US 30. Tell me what you guys noticed. All right, I've been asking this question for like 3 minutes. I'm just going to answer myself. You guys remember how I talked to you about how sometimes SPX 500, NAS 100, and US 30, they all set up the same way, especially after news or before news? I took all three of these trades this morning, all three. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you guys for liking the stream. I appreciate you guys. I took all three of these trades. Why? Because they were all setting up the same. They're the exact same setup. The exact same setup. The exact same. Push, pull, push, pull, push. I got it right here. That's number one. Let's try number two. Push, pull, push, pull, push. I got it right here. That's number two. Let's try number three. Push, pull, push, pull, push. Same exact setup on all three. This is why I love index pairs. This is absolutely why I love index pairs. It's just the way my trading is going right now, right? And the way I'm able to consistently find setups like almost every day and scalp. My scalping, if you notice, look at my positions. They're smaller, but they're still the same percentage and the same RR. It's because of how in tune I've gotten with indices recently. It's almost like I can look at it and I can understand what it wants to do. Like it tells me what it wants to do, and I just let it be. I don't force it. I just wait. and I let it tell me what it wants to do. I knew with this trade in particular, my stop loss is a little closer than the other two. It's because I knew the way US 30 is moving, there's a good chance even though it comes down here, it's going to do this. So I did not. And this is why I love, guys, those of you who trade indices, I think Ashley Garlick, he trades Jura 30 and those things. Bro, try futures. Try futures. You are going to love it. With futures, I can literally enter here, put my stops right here like that and go buck wild. It's the best thing ever. So I'm saying all this to say, guys, when you understand how a certain pair moves, that's why I tell you guys, marry a pair and don't go nowhere else. All right. So anyways, that is in terms of my personal trading in my accounts. I'm having a great time. In terms of this challenge, this is so, it's not even stressful, it's just annoying at this point. But we're going to try and get to it. Today is the day, guys, because tomorrow I'm going on vacation. So that means that I may not be able to go live tomorrow, which means we might have to find a really great setup and full margin the account, like full blown, pull the trigger, let it go. You know what I mean? Just full out boom. Or as our African brothers would like to say, kabloi. Kabloi. All right. So that's what we got going on. Let me go ahead and click copy. Boom. Let me go paste. Why is this not working? There we go. Discord, baby. Gotta pin this. All right. Dax treated me so good this morning. Was glorious. Nice. I'm short Nas now. Let it ride. Nice. Drawdown rules of future sell card. The rules of future, some of them are annoying, but everything has a drawdown, right? Everything has a trade-off. It just depends on who you are. 100 lots short gold. Can't go wrong. 100 lots on gold. Yeah, of course. Of course. That is the what's it called? The gambler's dream is gold. Once you get into gold, you just know to go buck wild. Buck wild. Where we at? I've read everything, I think. Short Nas now. Let it ride. Oh, you're short on Nas. Okay, cool. But yeah, so we got to find a trade, guys. We've got to find a trade, and you know, either it's going to go well or kablooey. Yeah, man. All right, so let's b-book Ashley. Let's b-book Ashley Garlic today. Nah, I'm gonna leave that alone. I gotta focus on some other trades. Ashley, I think he's short. He said he's short Nas. I'm gonna assume he's the sniper of the sniper. We're gonna assume Ashley Garlic is in here. All right, he's short. He's probably going for he usually goes for like a 1 to 50, I think. So let's push it down here. All right, let's make it a 1 to 40, you know, just for him to be humble. He's a humble guy. You know what I'm saying? He a humble guy. He a humble guy. And then let me see what the day's actually looking like. Ooh, that's interesting. That's super interesting. Anyways, I got bigger fish to fry. But stop saying. Okay, baby. Nobody. Yeah. No. Nah, you good, man. Okay. You good, baby. Love you too, sweetheart.
All right. Call me as soon as you're done.
Yo, mate.
Okay.
Mate. Okay, baby, bye. All right, people. Let's go on to some better things. We don't care about indices right now. We already made our money. I love it, man. I'm having a great time. Great week. We already made our money. So, okay, we got to find some trades to pull some triggers on today. I already checked the market. I ain't really see nothing that I like, to be quite honest, but I'm trying to still find something for you guys because of the fact that I won't be here tomorrow. Gold was okay this morning. CPI, it did this. Now it's pushing down. As usual, gold is going in the direction we want, but just not giving us the setup we want. So with gold, and you know, with gold is the only one that I don't even try to be like, oh, let me just see what happened. Gold, if it's not picture perfect, I leave it alone. It's just one of those things. So gold this week, for the most part, in fact, since here, it's just been doing exactly what we want at every level. But for some reason, it must know that I'm looking for it. It's not giving me the setup I want. Not to worry. We are going to go ahead and look for some other setups on some other pairs and see what we can find, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, man. I'm going on vacation tomorrow, guys. I'm as happy as a pig in poop. I'm saying I'm happy. I'm happy. What it do, paper trade? Been a long time no see, brother. We're trying to YOLO this account right here. Where is it at? Right here. We're trying to YOLO this account. Okay. So we're looking for a decent setup so that we can pull the whole thing. Like just, you know what I'm saying? But for now, we just got to be patient. So I'm looking for some setups. Euro JPY, kind of similar as well. This was during news. Let me take a look at this. Yeah, same situation. Beautiful move, just not my setup. Beautiful move. And then we got GBP which, I mean, based on what it's doing here, I just don't even want to look at it. So we'll give it some time. Let's see if AUD JPY. Bro, I want to clear some things off of here, bro. Let me get rid of this. This is just too much going on. Let's go to the 1 hour. Very interesting. Go to the daily. Take a quick look. Oh, I see. This makes all the sense now. This makes all the sense as to why price action recently, I guess the last week, has just been kind of useless. I see. Yeah, guys, honestly, until we ain't got much to work with. So this is probably not going to be in my list of trades or pairs to look at. Just where the ranges it's in between and the way it's moving is just not really ideal for me. So we'll come back to this. All right, we'll come back to this. Let's go back up to, bro, look at Discord in general. Are you going on vacation tomorrow? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. What is this? Yes, I am. It's moving down. General. Let's go to general. Let's see what is happening here. Is my thing freezing? Yeah, that's me, man. That's me, Adib. That's me. Are you? Yo, for what's good? Podcast viral. What's good? Adib, is that your first time seeing me on Profit Match? Everybody knows already, brother. Shakir. What it do, baby? Long time no see. We got to chop it up. I have some things to talk to you about, Shakir. So I'm going to hit you up at some point. When I come back from vacation, so I'll be like in a week, I'll hit you up on Discord. If anybody hits you up in between then, just click on my icon and verify it's me, or hit me up on Instagram so I it's me. Because there's a lot of scammers out there still trying to pretend they're me. And the way they talk is so pathetic. They're like, oh, please, how you know I am not the foreign? Like, because of your sentence? You're just trading FX, right? Yes, I am. Yeah. Nah, it's melting. I bet. I'll get to that in a sec. Should I hold Joshua Kakuru? Should I hold AUD USD entry? Let's go more. They move similar. AUD USD. Y'all, I got to focus on my setups this morning. This is the last one I'm doing today, I promise you. Sells. All right, so he's in some sells. Let's check the sell entry at 65216. 65216. And then stops at 65565. 65565. And then 64321. Okay, cool. Do I have everything correct? 65216. Yeah, looks like it. Okay, nice. First off, nice. Not like, even though I don't usually trade like that, I still like what I see. I think this is nice. I think your stop loss is in a great place. You're holding for, like, from what it looks like, a 1 to 2.5. You're wondering if you should hold. Well, let's take a look. All right, let's take a great big look. Where are we at? Okay, so right off the bat, right off the bat. Now, this doesn't always work, but sometimes it can pose a bit of a problem. I've literally seen things like this where price doesn't care and it'll just continue to flow through. I don't think your TP is in a bad spot. I think, especially based on the structures we've already drawn, it's a very likely spot to go to. I would say be a little cautious about this zone right here. That's all I would say. Just kind of like manage your trade. Maybe you can go down to the 15, kind of give it a look, see what you're looking at. And if it still looks good to you, then by all means have at it, right? But I think your setup is beautiful, to be quite honest. To be quite honest, I think this is a very nice trade, Joshua. So Joshua, shout out to you. Very wonderful setup. Just be mindful of the zone, and I hope you hit TP. As to if I should tell you if you should hold definitively, it's not my setup, so it's not my expertise. You see what I'm saying? I wouldn't know. I don't trade this. I wouldn't know how to manage it as outside of looking at the zones. So I would say just use your best judgment. Be mindful of this area. Once you break past this, let me just put it this way. Once you break past this area, what is going on here? There you go. Once you break past this area, what you want to look for, no matter what, is price like breaking lows. Once you see prices breaking lows, you're like home free. But if you see price doing stuff like this and making higher highs, then you might want to be careful. Sometimes it can come back, retest this area, but you don't want to be in this trade this long, all for that to happen. So just be mindful with this trade. But yeah, I think it's a nice setup. I have no qualms with this type of trade. Well, let's see the already breaking upside down. Not to catch. Well, let's see the setup then. What is future? Futures? And what broker do you use? So I'm with Top Step. Okay, they're the prop firm I'm using. And futures, think of futures as like, man, it's like almost like the perfect balance between trading stocks and trading Forex, especially if you trade in indices. But let me just put it to you this way. With futures, there are no spreads, right? We trade, instead of trading lots, we trade contracts. Each contract is worth a certain amount after a certain amount of ticks, moves, whatever. I think it's like 4 ticks makes up, what is it? 4 ticks is $50 on one contract for NQ. Something like that, $50 or 25, something like that. So there's like a, what's the word I'm looking for? There's like a set value for how much each contract is worth. And essentially you're able to make way more money. It's just that with futures prop firms, they have these different rules that kind of almost limit how crazy you can go, but people are still killing it with futures. And the thing I love about with futures is that they have built-in copy traders. So whatever I'm doing on my main account copies to my other 2, 3, 5, whatever accounts I got. So it's pretty fire. I'll give you a more in-depth explanation of futures at a different date, but just know if you haven't checked out futures, you should check it out. There's lots of videos on YouTube, and Google will give you a nice explanation of what futures is. But there's no spreads, no slippage, none of that nonsense. It's straight. You're in the market like right away. Executions is flawless. Man, it's beautiful. Joshua said, all right, thanks, bro. You're welcome. Bro, I have the opportunity to buy 2K proper and challenge. Or should I make 3,200 then buy myself a proper and challenge? Adib, here's what I would say to you. As much as it's incredible for you to buy a proper challenge for $30, which you would learn some things and be helpful, if you don't believe in your trading skills or abilities, you're not going to pass the prop firm. So if you believe, because what I did is exactly what you're asking. I literally made sure I could take like 50 to 200 or something like that, or 100 to like 3 or 4, whatever. Like I learned to double, triple my money a couple times first by trading consistently before I took my first prop from challenge. If you're not there yet, I would say the results are inevitable for you. But if you still feel like it's a learning, opportunity that you want to experience, then by all means have at it. Have at it, Adib. Fasi, long time no see. See what I did there? All right, cool. All right, Fasi, welcome back, brother. What's good? What's good? What's good? Do they do half contracts, or is it one or nothing? No, they do micros. There's something called micros. So micros are like, literally, it's kind of like instead of trading one lot, you can trade 0.25 like that. So you have micros. They have micros and they have minis as well. So it'd be like trading your 0.01s, your 0.10s, and your one lots like that. So they have micros and they have minis, and then they have full contracts. So you can also, if you're not like me and Ranker, I think Ranker is the other one in here who goes crazy on contracts, because I don't like micros. I'm in it to win it type of thing. I'm gonna put my stop loss, and plus with the way, look, I'll show you with one of the trades I took here. The way contracts, the way futures work, I can literally get into a trade like right here and put my stops like right there. Like, it's beautiful. If you know what you're doing, making money on futures is just so much better. So much better. So yeah. So you can have full micros and minis open at the same time. I believe so. Yeah, you can have different charts open. Some will be micro charts because, for example, you have ES mini, which is a mini, and then you have ES, which is the full contract, right? So you can have both those open, and they would trade different sizes. So, okay, thank you for the advice. You're welcome, Adib. Why is the chat so delayed? I don't know. There was an error this morning with the stream. It's really weird. Recently, I got the stream up and running. I think the delay was like 3 to 5 seconds, so it was pretty good. But this morning when I was going live, I got a delay. There was a delay that said, like, there's an error. Not a delay, sorry, an error message. So I was asking everybody if they could see me, if the chat is good. They said it's good, so I don't know what to tell you. Yeah, see, Asher Garlic said no delay for them. Ludo! Hola, ¿cómo estás, everyone? Hey, amigos, muy bien. Tacos. All right, I'm done. I'm done acting a fool. Guys, we actually have to get some trades going today, so let's go find some trades. For those of you guys who are just arriving this morning, I'm going to show you guys the 3 trades I took this morning, all on the same pair. I preach this to you guys all the time. All the time. Let me see where it's at. Where is it at? Right there. I preach this to you guys all the time. Okay? I took a trade on here, here, and here. All right? Exact same setup every time. Same thing on NAS 100. Same thing on SPX 500. Same thing on US 30. Exact same trade. When it comes to indices, especially those 3, SPX 500, US 30, and NAS 100, before news or after news, it doesn't happen often, but you'll see them moving the same way sometimes. And if you notice that, this is all the same thing, you can take all 3 trades and bank, like, you can 3x whatever RRs you were going to make that day. So I'm showing you guys this to show you that not only did I take these trades, this what I've been preaching to you guys, it happens. Just got to look for it. What's up, Mr. Mod? How's FM's trading going? Is everyone eat taco? I'm trading them on HTP today. Congratulations, Adib. Make a video about this so I don't forget. All right. You guys, I have a bunch of videos. Don't hold me to it, because right after this, my wife came here. She's like, please call me right after you're done, because we have a lot to do. We're leaving on vacation tomorrow. It's our 10-year wedding anniversary in a couple days. We're going on a cruise. I'll be gone for a week. Your boy, believe it or not, as dark as I am, I'm about to get even blacker than I am, bro. I'm about to be in the sun, sunbathing, enjoying it with my wife. Know what I'm saying? So, we're going to be on vacation for a week. So I'm trying to get some videos out there for you guys before I go. But you know what I mean? It's, I'm going to turn blue. I'm gonna turn purple, bro. I remember one time we had this kid in class who's, believe it or not, darker than me. And one guy, I forget his name, but he was Jamaican. He goes, bro, why is my man like dark purple, bro? Yo, oh my God. If you're not wearing pretty shirt in these Up and coming videos, I'll be very sad. You know what though? I actually took a party shirt, so you might see me wear it. Ashley Garlic. I'll represent. Don't worry. I'll make a story, an Instagram story, and I'll be like, yo, this one is for party shirt. This one specifically is dedicated to party shirt trader. Shout out to you guys, man. So, yeah. So I'm gonna try to get that podcast rival. DM me on Discord or Instagram, wherever we talk, and just remind me so I don't forget. All right. This makes me so happy. Yeah, that's hilarious. Spread the word. Party shirts are a superpower. Got you. I'll represent. I'll do a commercial for you. Am I still calling you rival? Yo, my fault. Podcast viral. Bro, I'm so sorry, bro. I don't know what it is. Purple is insane. Oh, really? Ashley Garlic is party shirt. You got merged. Yeah, Ashley Garlic is party shirt in Discord. Nah, not yet. When I have like 50K following, I will. There you go. Yeah, I promise you, I haven't forgot. You're like the first video I want to make. All right. Oh my God. That's hilarious. All right, guys, let's find some setups. Okay, enough about all these things going on. Let's go find some setups. So basically, I'm trying to find some videos for you guys. It's 10 o'clock. We need to find something that we can full margin on. You know what I'm saying? Let me ask you. Audio. Oh, guys, my internet is glitching. I don't know if you guys can hear me. My internet is glitching. Yeah, my internet. I already know the answer, but I'm gonna do this anyways. Let's see. See me. Yeah, bro, dog. This is messed up. Guys, it's gonna be choppy. It's gonna be in